Great to be back. We missed you last week. We have a lot of great shows coming up this week. Shania Twain's coming down. She's going to be here. Adam Sandler's going to be here. Kevin James is going to be here. We have music from Bastille, and Anne Hathaway's coming down. We have a big thing planned with her. I hope you'll stick around to see it. Now, if you'd like to come and see a show in person, you can head to oneiota.com and click on the link that says The Late Late Show. You can also check out all our past episodes and all of our Carpool Karaoke videos on our YouTube page. And please don't forget to follow me on Twitter, @Late Late Show. You can also heart me on Instagram, link me on LinkedIn, pin me on Pinterest, snap me on Snapchat, ask me for a ride on Uber, ask me for a potato on Tuba, show me you care on the Tiffany's app, show me you've given up on the Papa John's app. Teach me some new slang on Urban Dictionary, put up some street art on Urban Pictionary, reserve me on Open Table, frankly, don't give me a damn on Clark Gable, turn me down on No Dicer, lie to my face on Sean Spicer, frank me on Langella, flower crown me at Coachella, get close to me on Whoa There Fella, locate me on Maps, scrub me on Mops, gotta have me on Pops, watch the movie The Great Wall on Flops, Cheryl me on Croster, bra me on Broster, donate to me on Kickstarter, stay away from me on Sickfather, take me to the movies on Movie Phone, call me on the flip side using Groovy Phone, jail me on Slammer Time, junk mail me on Spammer Time, gorgeous me on Glamour Time, stop me on Hammer Time, give me large files on Dropbox, give me large smiles on Hotbox, experiment with a couple of other faces on Face Swap, experiment in other couples' places on Wife Swap, make me hotter on Facetune, consummate my marriage on Honeymoon, correct my grammar on I'm pretty sure it's whom, ask me anything on Reddit, groom my dog on Shreddit, carb me on Breadit, Flintstone me on Fredit, read my novel on Edit, go to work on Mondays on Dreadit, will something happen between us on Let It, or, if you wish, feel free to write me an old-fashioned letter by addressing it to CBS, Television City, 7800 Beverly Boulevard, Los Angeles, California, 90036. Write a new one to me every single day for an entire year, have my mum hide them from me, and then when I finally find out you and me are gonna make out in a rainstorm like McAdams and Gosling for a full 10 minutes. When we come back, drop the mic with Riz Ahmed. Come back, everybody!